Forms is the 8th annual thematic group exhibition presented jointly by Jeffrey Deitch and Gagosian. This year it opened on December 5th in Miami's Design District. So right in front of you is this shiny installation, Colonel Gargle from 2008 by John Chamberlain, while you just saw in front of you, here it is swiping back, a sculpture named Deity from 2022 by the famous American feminist artist Judy Chicago, while right in front of you is Impronte di Luce by Italian artist Giuseppe Pinone. He is one of the main representatives of the Arte Povera movement, so the so-called translate into Italian into poor art movement. The word poor here refers to the movement's signature exploration of a wide range of materials beyond the traditional ones of oil paint on canvas, bronze, or carved marble. This here is the installation This Way from Theater Gates, and here you see vessel number 4, still from the same artist. The canvas on the back wall, this here is from Albert Olin, called Omega Man 2 from 2021, followed by his untitled sculpture from 2022. Olin is a German influential contemporary painter working in an eclectic variety of techniques and imagery. This canvas coming up is Adam McEwen's Rendezvous from 2023, followed by this installation, this black cylinder sitting on this yellow base, made in stainless steel, is from Carl Beauvais, called Sinister Sappy Seeping from 2023. This coming up is a close-up of John Chamberlain's Colonel Gargle that you saw in the beginning. It's made in painted and chrome-plated steel. So the dominant narrative of modern art, here in the meantime you see Foam from 2023 from Toba Auerbach. So the dominant narrative of modern art has focused largely on a swing between the stylistic oppositions of figuration and abstraction. Forms explores alternatives to these paired categories through works that investigate how objects might function as surrogates for human reality, or that refer to objects indirectly through abstracted visual language. So playing on the ambiguities of its title, the art in forms exists somewhere between a non-representational formalism and a realism of forms, proposing different models for communicating the physical and symbolic complexities of the body. These works here are from Madeleine Hollander. They're named Vessel Hopscotch from 1 to 3. 3 comes in 2 variations. They're made of watercolor from water sourced from natural spring beneath the Met Museum, ink and graphite on archival paper. These pieces here, made in glazed ceramic, are from Brian Rochefort, named Purple Rain from 2023. Rochefort primarily works with ceramic and glazes as a mixed media sculptor, creating one-of-a-kind, vibrant sculptures covered in abstract patterns and fascinating textural features. The process of his work involves breaking apart unfired clay objects and layering them up with more material. In the center of the room is Piero Golia's untitled green cube with a lawn mower from 2008, and it's made of aluminum, paint, and a lawnmower. Golia is an artist who constantly subverts the conventions of contemporary art through concept, form, and act. In January 2006, he vanished from New York City, leaving no trace of his plans or whereabouts, only to resurface 3 weeks later at the Royal Academy of Arts in Copenhagen to give a lecture on his own disappearance. In 2008, he responded to the standardized brief of art fair booths by compacting a full-size passenger bus down to the 6-meter width of the assigned space. This coming up is Sacha Browning's Backbone from 2016, and it's an oil on linen over a panel. Here is Urs Fischer's Do from 2023. It's a depiction of a woman's face in pastel hues that calls to mind cotton candy wrapped in abstract shapes. This here at the center of the room is Lauren Halsey's untitled Mirror from 2023. Halsey is rethinking the possibilities for art, architecture, and community engagement. She produces both standalone artworks and site-specific projects, particularly in the South Central neighborhood of Los Angeles, where her family has lived for several generations. Combining found, fabricated, and handmade objects, Halsey's work maintains a sense of civic urgency and free-flowing imagination, reflecting the lives of the people and places around her and addressing the crucial issues confronting people of color, queer populations, and the working class. This here is Alexandria Smith's Mumbo Jumbo from 2023, combining figuration and abstraction. Smith's works imagine hybrid figures comprised of limbs, eyes, breasts, and hair in distinctive configurations that embody physical, emotional, and metaphysical growth and transformation. She works across various mediums, making drawings with collage elements, paintings with sculptural assemblages, and immersive installations. This here is Ashley Bickerton's FOB Tide White, made from 1993 to 2008, and it's made of fiberglass, rope, and steel. Ashley Bickerton passed away on November 30th, 2022, and he was a Barbadian-born American contemporary artist. As a mixed media artist, he often combined photographic and painterly elements with industrial and found object assemblages. He is associated with the early 1980s art movement, Neo Geo. This oil on canvas is Orion Martin's Sir Michael's Tarp from 2016. This close-up here is from a world-renowned Chinese contemporary artist, documentarian, and activist Ai Weiwei, and its name Porcelain Cube from 2009. This here is Tableau Hasilar 1 from 2023. It's a mixed media on canvas by artist Philip Taffy. Taffy is a contemporary American artist, best known for his process-based abstractions, melding iconography, design, art historical motives, and personal experience. He creates densely patterned works. Here we have Stanley Whitney's untitled Oil on Linen from 2019. Whitney is a contemporary African-American artist known for his use of a loose grid of colors in his paintings. He has a wide range of references, including Egyptian hieroglyphs, jazz music, as well as the work of Bob Thompson and Giorgio Morandi. This oil on canvas from 2023 is named I Can Hear You Smiling from artist Ariana Papademetropoulos. This work coming up here is Stephen Parrino's Touch and Go. It's followed by Josh Klein's that you see right here, in stock, Walmart Workers' Arms from 2018. It's a 3D printed sculpture in acrylic-based photopolymer resin. Klein is one of the leading artists of his generation. He is best known for creating immersive installations using video, sculpture, photography, and design to question how emergent technologies are changing human life in the 21st century. This here is Peter Nagi's Quadrillion from 1987, followed by Li Shurui's Cherry X from 2017 on the left, and Dispersion in All Directions on the right, and they're both acrylic on canvas. This here is Emily May Smith's King Lear from 2015. It's an oil on linen. Smith is a visual artist from Austin, Texas. Her sly, humorous, and riveting compositions nod to art historical movements such as Greek mythology and surrealism, through with a distinctly 21st century spin. Coming up is another Josh Klein piece, American Camouflage from 2023. It's made of fast food, corn, rubber gloves, cardboard packaging, plastic, aluminum, acrylic, and automotive paint, and lead strips. Coming up is another Ashley Bickerton artwork, IO Passport from 2022, and it's an acrylic on canvas. This here is one of the last pieces from the main section of the exhibition. From here you move on to an adjacent space by crossing an internal courtyard where you find this another piece from Giuseppe Pennone called Pensieri di Foglie, Leaves Thoughts from 2017. As we said earlier, Pennone is one of the major exponents from the Arte Povera, poor art movement. So, stepping into this residual section of the exhibition, you encounter straight away Nari Ward's Soul Arch Fixed from 2021, and it's, as you can see, it's copper covered surfboard sitting on a chair covered with a fire hose. Nari Ward's work often includes the practice of collecting objects from his surrounding environment, creating juxtapositions that leave their meaning open to viewers and often recall important historic and social moments. So, as anticipated earlier, this exhibition plays with ambiguities existing in a realm that combines non-representational formalism with a realism of forms. It proposes new models for expressing the physical and symbolic complexities of the human body. So this bronze sculpture from 2023 is named Paint Saw by artist Emmanuel Louinard Desir. His practice includes painting, assemblage, and sculpture that addresses colonialism, spirituality, and biblical accounts, particularly Abrahamic narratives and their relevance within the histories of many diasporas around the world. So this last artwork concludes our walkthrough of the Gagosian and Jeffrey Deitch collaboration and vernissage. Let us know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching.